मोहब्बत क्या है, क्यों है, कहां है?
मोहब्बत जिंदगी। मेरा ये मानना है ऊपर वाले ने हम सबको जोड़ियों में बनाया, किसी एक के लिए कोई एक जीवन साथी जरूर बनाया।
ना, मैं इन बातों में नहीं मानता। मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि मेरे लिए किसको बनाया है? क्या वो मेरे नाम का बोर्ड लेके घूमेगी?
औरों का तो नहीं पता, पर मुझे पता चल जाएगा। वो मुझे बताएगा, वो एक इशारा देगा और मेरा दिल समझ जाएगा कि ये वही।
बुलशिट, मैं इन बातों को बिल्कुल नहीं मानता।
चलिए, आप नहीं मानते, इट्स ओके। जिस फिल्म में इनको मनाने के लिए ये फिल्म बनी, जब वो मान गए तो अब आपको भी हम इस एपिसोड के अंत में तो मना ही लेंगे।
चलिए।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका लाइव कैमरा क्लासिक्स के इस एक नए सेगमेंट में, जहां अगेन हम एक और मूवी के साथ आपके लिए एक और नई रोमांटिक क्लासिक मूवी लेके आए हैं। शायद जो हमने डायलॉग अभी आपके सामने किया, थोड़ा सा आपको अंदाजा लग गया होगा कि ये कौन सी मूवी के बारे में, कि समवन समवेयर इज मेड फॉर यू। सो द मूवी इज दिल तो पागल है। सो राहुल, पूजा, आज आपके सामने एक नए इसी मूवी के जैसे आपने हमारे पिछले सेगमेंट में भी देखा था कि हम एक लव ट्रायंगल में एक नए किरदार को शामिल करते हैं अपने शो में। तो आज की हमारी तीसरी किरदार है नन अदर देन हमारी निशा। सो फारा, वेलकम सो मच, वेलकम टू आवर शो।
Thank you.
So this meet Farah as Nisha. I hope like you are enjoying yourself as Nisha.
I am.
How do you like it?
I feel really fabulous.
Oh wow. So
Just like
if you just think about Dil To Pagal Hai, so you see yourself as Pooja or Nisha? How do you
Nisha.
relate yourself to Nisha? So yeah,
think
that
so,
means
yeah.
like I gave you the perfect thing then.
क्यों?
did,
Why
yeah.
would you say that?
Because I think Nisha is a very like a girl that loves everybody, and she loves friends. She loves to be full of life, and at the end of the day, she doesn't get the love that she wanted, right? But I mean, I don't know. I just feel like her personality is like my personality. I love to have fun. I love to enjoy life.
So
And
you connect to her personality.
I do connect to
So,
her
you know, so the
personality, yeah.
my part, like when I thought about that we are doing Dil To Pagal Hai, why I'm Pooja and you Nisha, just because you are more skinny than me.
Oh God.
So you Nisha then.
और मेरे पास तो चॉइस थी नहीं, मुझे इन लोगों ने
तो
कोई
इनको
चॉइस दी
हमें-
नहीं, मुझे राहुल ही बनना पड़ा।
राहुल ही बनना पड़ा, पर आप बताइए नहीं और क्या बना सकते हैं आप बताइए आप और क्या बनना चाहेंगे?
हाँ, बनने को तो मैं बहुत कुछ मैं तो खुद एक स्टार बनना चाहता था, लेकिन मेरी जगह शाहरुख खान को चांस मिल गया।
Oh my God.
तो
पर आज आप राहुल के किरदार में काफी जच रहे हैं,
You are.
बहुत अच्छे से आपने
Great.
राहुल के किरदार को
You
कैरी
look
किया
just
है।
like him.
इसका you know she takes all the has to get all the
Yes.
credit, इनको सेहरा मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि मेरी ड्रेसिंग, अपनी ड्रेसिंग तो की है, मेरी और निशा जी की भी ड्रेसिंग का।
Shubha
निशा
has-
जी,
निशा जी,
so Nisha ji, I think you are confusing it with the other Nisha ji. So let's
जी.
just call her Nisha in today's
निशा,
segment.
निशा।
Hey Nisha, hey, that was a good one. चलिए इसके बारे में और बातें करते हैं। दिल तो पागल है। अगर इस बार मूवी के बारे में मैं आपको कुछ बताना चाहूँ तो एक बहुत ही सिंपल सी लव ट्रायंगल लव स्टोरी थी। एज कुछ होता है की तरह लव ट्रायंगल में कोई लड़ाई नहीं, झगड़ा नहीं, बहुत अच्छे से एक प्यार दोस्ती की कहानी आगे बढ़ती है। पर जो कुछ ऐसी चीजें थी जो इस मूवी में मुझे डिफरेंट लगी रेगुलर सेट ऑफ मूवी से, एक नया कोरियोग्राफी का अंदाज दिया इस मूवी ने हमको। इस मूवी ने हमें बताया कि हाउ द म्यूजिकल प्लेज कैन बी कंडक्टेड।
Right.
You know, earlier days में हम theater देखते थे, but there were no songs. This movie has introduced that there can be a thing called musical plays. So you have a love story going on with a lot of songs. You know, after this, there were a lot of musical plays happening in Mumbai and very small towns in Delhi also. A lot of musical
didn't know
plays
that.
started happening. So that was one thing which was very fresh, and Yash Chopra ji ने काफी अच्छे से इस लव स्टोरी के लव ट्रायंगल को हमें सबको दिखाया। इस इंडियन सिनेमा को एक नया ही अंदाज, अगर आप सॉन्ग्स देखें, आप कोरियोग्राफी देखें, आप लव स्टोरी देखें, और जो कैरेक्टर्स थे, निशा का
जी।
कैरेक्टर दैट वाज द नेशनल अवार्ड विनर कैरेक्टर।
Yeah.
मतलब करिश्मा कपूर ने अपनी लाइफ में कितनी मूवीज की हैं, बट दैट वाज वन कैरेक्टर इज
That
क्लोज
she-
टू हर हार्ट, एंड प्लस शी वन अ नेशनल अवार्ड फॉर
She
द
won
मूवी।
an award for that movie.
कमेंडेबल।
यश चोपड़ा का मेरा ख्याल है यही तो ट्रेंड रहा है कि एक तो ही ऑलवेज हैड अमेजिंग सिनेमेटोग्राफी। उसके लिए तो वो मेरे ख्याल है जब से सिलसिला बनाई थी उन्होंने, उससे भी पहले की फिल्में, उसमें तो हमेशा माहिर थे, बट ही ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू, और आई गेस या यूज्ड टू ब्रिंग अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू फ्लेवर। जैसे कि आपने कहा कि एक नई थीम लेकर आए,
Yeah.
एक नए कॉन्सेप्ट को जो इंडिया में शायद उस वक्त इतना
था भी
उजागर नहीं था, ही ब्रॉट दैट टू द फोर। तो यश चोपड़ा को क्रेडिट देना चाहिए बहुत सीन बातों में कि he was a bit of a trend, not a bit of a, but he was a
He was a
trendsetter.
trendsetter.
Yeah.
बहुत मामलों में सिनेमेटोग्राफी हो, गाने हो, डांस हो, नए नए लोगों को चांस देना. I think he introduced क्या
Yes,
नाम
that
था?
was दो बहुत नए लोगों को इन्होंने चांस दिया, शामक दावर फॉर हिज कोरियोग्राफी एंड उत्तम सिंह. मैं बताना चाहूंगी उत्तम सिंह जी ने 2 साल लिए इस मूवी का म्यूजिक कंपोज करने में,
Wow.
एंड इट क्रिएटेड हिस्ट्री. ऐसा कोई गाना नहीं था वो गाना चार्ट बस्टर ना हो.
Yeah.
You just think about it और आप चूज ही नहीं कर सकेंगे कि ओके कौन सा गाना अच्छा है. एंड सेम थिंग इज अबाउट कोरियोग्राफी. अब तक हम देखते आए थे सरोज खान की, माधुरी एंड श्रीदेवी की वो एक्सप्रेशंस वाली कोरियोग्राफी जिसमें आपका फेस नाचता है, बट हियर द होल बॉडी इज जस्ट डूइंग एरोबिक्स एंड like just think about
They
the
have
song
the
Le Gai Le Gai.
sequences, yeah.
It starts like the movie starts with the song Le Gai Le Gai. Just look at the choreography, man. It's hats off to Shamak Davar. I don't know after that why he didn't get so much chances. He did another movie with Subhash Ghai, Tal, but I don't know. He did a very fresh choreography, very different. I
was
used to
very
just dance in like a lot of Dil To Pagal hai numbers because it was new to me. You know, मैं डांस करने वाली हूँ मोरनी बागा में बोले और चोली के पीछे. So these were like our numbers when we were growing up. And when Dil To Pagal Hai came and the choreography suddenly changed, and it actually took us a lot of time when I started like watching that because we always copy. हम बस गाना देखते थे या मूवी देखते थे तो हम कॉपी करते थे, हमें कोई क्लासेस नहीं
तो
मिलती थी.
निशा से पूछते हैं ना कि ये जब मूवी आई थी, this was 1990
1997.
97, तो मैं तो आप लोगों को बता देता हूँ, I was in my early 20s, so not that we're trying to reveal our ages, लेकिन what was your, आपकी जिंदगी में उस वक्त कहाँ थी? Where were you and how did you connect to this movie when it came out?
97?
97, yeah.
I was in high school,
High school.
and I was a very big Karishma Kapoor and Madhuri fan, right? So when obviously in Shah Rukh Khan, right? So when this film came, it was huge for us. We went to
Yeah.
theaters, we went to watch the movie, and the music was fabulous,
Oh, yes.
right? The dance sequences were incredible. And
Amazing.
just being like, both of them were great dancers too, Karishma and Madhuri. I loved them both equally, right? Like obviously no one can beat Madhuri, right? But they were very good dancers, and I think that stage sequence that Karishma had when she was doing the Mujhko Hi Na,
Yeah,
that
that
song,
was the
right?
first song the movie
Yeah.
starts with. Le Gai Le Gai.
Lega Lega, right? That one. She did amazing. I
Amazing.
just remember going,
You know
holy
those,
crap.
those
Yeah.
iconic steps,
Mhm.
and those were so different. You know,
They were different.
those are not very regular in day-to-day
They weren't
choreography.
classic. They weren't
They were very
classical.
classic. Yes, absolutely.
They weren't classical steps.
So-
They were so much more like in
Modern, yeah.
modernized.
Contemporary.
It was modern.
Her costumes were incredible.
Manish
And you're right
Malhotra.
that they, I never thought about that, but they did make that film around the whole concept of theater
Theater
and
love.
adding music to theater and
Yes,
dance sequences
yes.
to theater. And there's lots of scenes where Madhuri was practicing
Yep.
on stage,
On stage, yep.
before she did the plays, which is when I think Shah Rukh Khan actually fell in love with her, right? Watching her
Yes,
dance.
absolutely. When he
Yeah.
actually saw her practicing, and they
Practicing.
both were just syncing with the music.
There was, yeah.
So the couple of things were very fascinating in terms of music and dance. So
मतलब एक तरह से this was a truly क्योंकि वैसे तो आप
of
लोगों को पता है
art.
कि बॉलीवुड की फिल्मों में गाने हमेशा ही होते हैं
Hmm.
जब से बन रही हैं, but this was truly a musical. जैसे
Yeah,
It's a
Hollywood
musical drama.
Hollywood
It's a
में
musical
musical
movie.
कहते हैं जिसमें गाने होते हैं.
Yes.
Hollywood movies wouldn't have songs, but this was truly a first Bollywood musical movie.
Musical movie, yes, absolutely.
It
It
had,
was.
as per you, 11 songs.
11 songs.
11 songs.
11
So
songs.
चलिए सॉन्ग्स की बात हो रही है तो हम बस आगे अब बात करना चाहेंगे कि बहुत खूबसूरत गाने हैं. It's very difficult to just pick one or two songs, but if I give you a chance, तो आपका कोई फेवरेट ट्रैक अगर आप हमें
मेरा
बताएं.
तो वैसे तो काफी सारे हैं, लेकिन if I had to pick one out of the hat तो मैं उसको प्यार कर चांदनी.
Oh, the Valentine's Day.
हाँ.
So why प्यार कर? There's like
एक
some
तो
of
गाया
songs.
अच्छा है लता. I think it's लता and जहाँ तक मुझे याद है उदित
उदित
नारायण ने
नारायण,
गाया.
हाँ.
मतलब मुझे वो गाने पसंद आते हैं. सिर्फ ये नहीं कि सिर्फ रोमांटिक हो, लेकिन it has to have a melody. हालांकि सारे सॉन्ग्स बहुत मेलोडियस थे, लेकिन बस उसकी जो फील है जब आज भी मैं सुनूं तो उसके साथ I feel like
तो आप
हमें-
वैलेंटाइंस डे
हाँ.
पे ये गाना सुनते हैं?
हाँ हर साल.
Do you believe in the theory what they just told us on the Valentine's Day?
अब वो थ्योरी मुझे याद नहीं, उसको जरा
What's the
याद
theory?
दिलाइए.
Okay, चलिए, it's okay. It's a old theory that Valentine's Day वो उस मूवी में like full moon वाले दिन आता है. So उसमें कहा जाता है, वो माधुरी का बिलीव था that आज आपको आपका जो जीवन साथी है वो जरूर मिलेगा, दिखेगा.
Why?
Oh.
Because of the full moon?
Because of the full moon, full Valentine's Day comes on the full moon.
home.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's two things
The two things have
together,
understand.
one point.
Yeah.
So she had to believe, and she knows that like it's a old school stories
Yeah.
that आज तो शाहरुख खान actually उसको दिखता नहीं है शाहरुख खान, but she got that इशारा
Yeah.
from the
That
god.
you're gonna meet
So
somebody.
he gets that tune. That was her ishara. अरे रे क्या हुआ?
Oh,
The whistle of Shah Rukh Khan.
oh right.
That
okay.
is her connection. That okay, exactly. Oh wow, this is so good.
Yeah.
All right, nice.
That was
So
nice.
आपका गाना?
next, if we come to your song, your favorite track.
I like Chak Dhum.
Oh wow, the
Koi
Rain Wala
Ladki-
song.
Yeah. How does it go? Koi Ladki
Koi
hai
ladki hai,
jab
okay.
wo-
Yeah.
I like it because it was shot in the rain.
Yeah,
And I like
we
that
rain.
it was a bunch of children in the
Mhm.
song, and they're having fun,
Ah.
and the beats were like just you're having fun dancing to it, right?
So-
and then they go and they get Karishma Kapoor, like
In the hospital.
Nisha comes out from the
Yes,
hospital,
yes,
she has a
yes.
broken foot, and she's dancing around.
She's
that was
dancing.
funny too.
That was funny.
I was like, no, the funny part was that this girl has a broken foot and she's out going chak dum dum chak dum. She's fully dancing.
yeah,
And I
that's
was
a
like,
nice
why?
song.
What did they do? But
So-
it was a nice song.
Beautiful track. So what part do you like? Like घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी
Happy
दुम.
Dum.
There's
I
a
really
lot of
I just
things.
like the fact that it was raining in the song, and
Perfect.
the children were dancing
Nice,
with
nice,
them,
nice.
with the main leads.
आप बताइए.
Perfect. Yeah, so अगर मेरी बात करते हैं तो मैं दो में थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूज हूँ. दो सारे गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं,
हाँ.
but मेरा टाइटल ट्रैक इज माय फेवरेट. दैट
Yeah.
शॉट इन लाइक स्विट्जरलैंड.
हम्म.
तो एक आधा आउटडोर शूट बनता है, अदरवाइज सारी शूट मुंबई में की गई है.
Right.
तो कुछ आउटडोर शूट्स थे, जैसे आपका ये सॉन्ग है दिल तो पागल है. दैट्स अ टाइटल ट्रैक. व्हाई दिस इज लाइक वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट? बिकॉज़ इट इज ऑल द फोर कैरेक्टर्स. वी फॉरगॉट टू टॉक अबाउट द फोर्थ कैरेक्टर व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अक्षय कुमार.
Oh,
He also
yeah.
played like amazing role. It's a very small. We can compare it with the Aman of कुछ कुछ होता है with
कुछ
this.
होता है, yeah.
Though Aman was really good, he got the award.
Yeah.
But हमारे अक्षय कुमार थोड़े से पीछे रह गए.
हाँ.
But I loved Akshay Kumar in this movie.
Yeah.
The kind of chemistry he showed with Madhuri, the
Yeah.
kind of friendship, the calls he calls his Moti. You
Yeah.
know, उसके बाद मुझे वो मोटी कहलवाना भी बुरा नहीं लगने लगा. I used to be very chubby in my childhood when this movie came. पर मुझे कोई मोटी बोलता था, मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता था. But when this movie came and अक्षय कुमार बहुत प्यार से माधुरी को always teases her like
Yeah.
मोटी
आपको
मोटी.
लगने लगा कि अक्षय कुमार बोल रहा है.
Ah, so it's okay. It's good to be moti, and somebody says you.
They were engaged, right?
No, they were very good friends. You know, Madhuri was living with their parents, with his parents.
Oh,
Madhuri
okay.
parents died in the
अच्छा, in the
childhood.
movie. I
In
thought
the
I
movie.
thought
In the
you
movie.
guys were
In
talking
the
about
movie.
real life.
No, no,
Okay.
And then he proposed her,
Yeah,
and then she was just thinking about कि मेरा जीवन साथी हो सकता है यही हो.
right.
Yeah,
But she never
actually.
fell in love with
She
him.
never
just
found,
thought of
and
him as a friend.
then she
Yeah.
found Rahul, and she got that ishara from the god.
Yeah,
Are
yeah.
re, are,
And then
and
she fell in love,
got
yeah.
that. He's the one.
So that's the reason why she was like keeping a little back.
Exactly.
From,
She was
from,
in a
'cause she was
dilemma
already-
in the end. Akshay
she was
Kumar
mostly
helps her.
with Akshay Kumar, right?
Yeah, Akshay Kumar helps her. That go like he's your true love. Go and just get her, and she was very happy. Yep. So इसी नोट पे अगर आगे बात करें तो एक जल्दी से क्विक अगर हम बात करें कि फेवरेट सीन्स के बारे में.
Scenes. हाँ, this is a difficult one.
तो
मुझे
इसमें मैं पहले निशा से
हाँ,
पूछना
मैं
चाहूंगी.
तब तक सोचता हूँ.
हाँ, आप भी सोच सकते हैं.
So
चलिए.
I actually like the scene of Nisha when she goes out to a party or something, I think, and she drinks a little bit too much and
Oh.
she's stumbling, and Rahul helps her to her room, to her bed,
Right.
and he puts her to sleep, and she grabs him and she's like, "I love you, Rahul."
Oh yeah, it was a
And
good.
she looks at him, and then she starts laughing, and he's staring at her, going, "Oh crap!" Right? Like, what's happening? But he understands that she does love him, and then he's like, "Okay, okay." And he puts her to sleep. He puts the blanket on her, and then he leaves. And I think he feels a little guilty at that time.
Yeah,
and he
because
feels-
he was not in love.
Yeah,
with
he
her.
wasn't in love with her, and he knew at that moment that she was in love with him.
No, that was
and
very
it-
emotional
yeah,
scene, and it's
it
very
was sad.
nice. So I can imagine the expressions of Nisha and Rahul. It was a very beautiful scene.
Well, I mean, it's heartbreaking for Nisha
I
to.
know.
It's hard to fall in love with somebody and have that other person not love you back, right?
Absolutely.
That's probably one of the worst kind of heartbreaks that anybody can ever go through.
Yes,
And,
but the
it's
good
hard.
part is they've just showed us that the best friend always helps the other one.
yeah.
If she's going through that phase that are heartbreaking. So the Rahul always consoles her that it's not you, it's the one.
ऊपर वाला.
yeah.
It's not you.
Yeah.
Like आपने मुझसे प्यार किया, मुझे किसी और से हुआ. So
Yeah.
it's all written. It's
Yeah.
not like your fault. That if you're
in the-
feeling that way, you're feeling a little jealous, which is done thing. It's
Yeah.
fine. Like it happens in love.
Yeah.
चलिए आपका अगर हम बात
हाँ,
करें.
मैं बहुत देर से जब ये बात करने की सोच रहा था कौन सा सीन चुनूं. I'll be very honest, मुझे फिल्म बहुत देखे बहुत अरसा हो गया, मुझे बहुत से सीन हल्के से याद हैं, लेकिन what I really जब भी मैं इस फिल्म के बारे में सोचता हूँ, the thing that comes to mind, and I know it's not a scene but it's not even a song, it's the dance, not competition but when जब दोनों डांस करते हैं,
Oh,
the
the
dance of envy.
envy. Yes, yes.
और अभी बात हो रही थी कि माधुरी is the queen of dance and she is,
Yeah.
To me she's the queen of everything in Bollywood. लेकिन अगर कोई उनके आस-पास खटक भी सकता है in terms of matching her dance and energy and the moves, I think nobody could do it better than Karishma Kapoor.
Correct.
Yeah, she's
Yeah,
She
she
was the
proved it.
closest
Yeah.
that could get to Madhuri in terms of her caliber and her talent.
She
और
proved
उस
that.
गाने में और उस डांस नंबर में उन्होंने तकरीबन उनका वो कहते हैं ना तुर्की ब तुर्की साथ दिया है.
Yeah, she did.
It's very hard to
Yeah.
tell who did better in that, and for that I think is
Yeah.
a great compliment to Karishma Kapoor.
Yeah, it was
Karishma.
fantabulous. It was.
It's hard for any actress, like any actress. Imagine any actress being,
Ah.
you're gonna have to like dance with beside Madhuri, or you're gonna have to compete with her.
Of course.
Like,
और
that's
toughest thing.
crazy.
जैसे
Like,
वो
any actress would be like,
ऐश्वर्या
what?
राय in डोला रे डोला वो तो बिल्कुल बेचारी हम कहते हैं उसको पानी भर रही थी माधुरी के
Yeah.
सामने, लेकिन
नहीं,
करिश्मा
मैं इसमें
was
थोड़ा डिसएग्री करूंगी. चलिए हम वो देवदास के टाइम
वो
बात
कभी
करेंगे.
बाद में
कोई
बात
बात
करेंगे.
नहीं. तो मैं अगर अपने सीन की बात करूं तो मेरा फेवरेट सीन है शाहरुख और इट्स अनलाइकली लाइक शाहरुख और माधुरी का नहीं, वैसे वो भी एक फेवरेट सीन है, बट शाहरुख और करिश्मा का एक सीन है जहां करिश्मा कन्फेस करती है दैट आई जस्ट सॉ दैट माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड हु आई लव अ लॉट, मतलब मैं जिस अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड को प्यार करती हूँ आज उसे किसी और से प्यार है एंड आई कैन सी इट. हम मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे दर्द हो रहा है. इट्स सो शी इज able to
that's so
express
sad.
even her jealousy because it's her best friend.
Yeah.
That's an amazing scene shot, and she got the national award for that scene, and that's the scene of the year.
Did she?
Yes,
वाकई में.
For that scene?
that scene. You just see that.
Oh, I didn't know
I'm sure that you'll again fall in love with her. She did too good when Shahrukh said that it's not you, तुम बुरी नहीं हो, ऊपर बुरा तो वो है.
Yeah.
So वो करता है ये कि एक को दूसरे से प्यार करता है, दूसरे को तीसरे से, बल्कि उसको उस दूसरे को पहले से प्यार करना चाहिए.
I'm
तो
gonna
ये
go home
तुम
and watch
नहीं
this
हो.
movie again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
So
watch
it's
it
not
tonight.
you, it's the ऊपर वाला. So then she just start picking up all the stones and just throwing at the मैं बुरी नहीं हूँ, तुम बुरे हो, तुम बुरे हो. So the kind of emotions, expressions she just delivered in that scene, and that scene has been shot very beautifully near the lake.
Right.
The backgrounds and everything, the scene is beautifully shot. She was looking beautiful. She is very pretty.
हाँ,
So I love that scene, and my second favorite is the end. When she just comes and जब वो मुझे देखता है तो मुझे लगता है मैं खूबसूरत हूँ. When she confesses that Rahul is my love.
हाँ, जब माधुरी कहती हाँ.
That's amazing.
हाँ,
Like,
that
I always try to reenact that scene because वो scene के जो dialogues हैं, जिस तरह से वो लिखा गया है scene, वो बहुत beautiful है.
That's so beautiful for a woman to say when he looks at me.
There
I
was n
feel
number of
beautiful.
scene that जब वो हंसता है तो जी चाहता है नाच उठूं.
Yeah.
जब वो रूठ जाता है जी चाहता है उसे बाहों में ले लूं.
Yeah.
So the kind of dialogue writing in that scene
That's
is
really
it's
nice.
amazing.
That is
And
nice.
that scene has been just shot in 2 parts. She recorded half of the scene about Rahul to tell it to Ajay,
Mhm.
and then half of the scene she actually delivers on the stage. So it was beautifully portrayed to us and beautifully written. So
Yeah.
that's why this is one of my favorite scene.
चलिए,
Perfect.
That is nice.
इसी नोट पे आप कुछ फन फैक्ट्स भी सुना दीजिए.
चलिए फटाफट से हम इनके फन फैक्ट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो आपको क्या लगता है निशा का रोल आपकी ये करिश्मा कपूर के अलावा और कितनी एक्ट्रेस के पास गया था जिन्होंने इस रोल को मना किया? They turned it down, and then finally, so the actors are Raveena Tandon,
Oh, I wanted to guess. I wanted to guess.
Okay, go ahead.
I was gonna say Aishwarya Rai.
No, Aishwarya Rai was
She
not
wasn't.
like that. No.
Oh, she wasn't
So
okay.
just go
Raveena
on.
Tandon.
Raveena Tandon.
दूसरी
She
आपने
did-
कौन सी
she
बताई?
did-
I said
Private?
Juhi Chawla.
Oh, that she would have been good in that role.
Yeah, she would have.
Yeah, she would have been
It
really
was
good.
Manisha Koirala. It was Urmila Matondkar,
Oh.
Shilpa Shetty, Kajol.
उर्मिला वैसे she could have been.
Urmila, actually, I also thought the
She could
same
have
thing.
totally
Urmila would
been
have,
really
yeah.
good in
But
that.
at that time,
They didn't want to play the
switched
second.
it.
They didn't want to
they
play the
switched the
second.
places. Urmila was taken the role in Judai. It was offered to Karishma Kapoor,
Oh.
so it was switched. So both did
Oh.
amazing
Amazing,
job
yeah.
at their places.
I can't see a Karishma doing
Absolutely. No,
Urmila's
I
role.
think in Judai also, अगर करिश्मा भी होती वो भी बहुत अच्छी लगती.
हाँ.
I
But
can
Karishma
imagine.
looks good in anything. I love her.
But
Yeah,
I
I mean,
really
she has
do.
been a great actress. She
Yeah.
has given us a very, very
I
good
still follow
entertaining
her on
movie.
Instagram. Like, I love her that much.
With-
No,
with
she's Karishma.
Okay.
Yeah, with Salman Khan, she has given us a very nice entertaining movies.
I think Salman
Okay,
Khan and Karishma
so-
should get married.
और मूवी इनिशियली टाइटल की गई थी मोहब्बत कर ले. So it was not दिल तो पागल है.
ऐसे
But
गाना
then,
गाना था ना.
या फिर दिल तो पागल है, मोहब्बत कर ले एक गाना है आपका शामक डावर का.
Mhm.
It's like a title track होने वाला था इस मूवी का, but somehow नहीं हुआ.
Hmm.
और एक अच्छा फन फैक्ट मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि ये पहली बॉलीवुड मूवी थी which is reach 1 million euros at the UK box office.
Yeah,
Really?
right. Well, actually, I do believe
This
that.
is first
Yeah.
Bollywood movie 1 million euros, which is a very nice.
For back then it's a
Yeah,
big
that's
sum.
huge back then.
और एक बहुत ही अच्छा फन फैक्ट, अगर आप लोगों ने ये मूवी नहीं देखी तो आज प्लीज देखिएगा और इसका टाइटल ट्रैक देखिएगा. जब ये मूवी शुरू होती है, द
Yeah.
वे राहुल एंड मी पूजा स्टार्टेड, मोहब्बत क्या है क्यों है, एंड व्हेन दे जस्ट finish this conversation, the title track starts that एक दूजे के वास्ते. तो अगर आप वो एक दूजे के वास्ते title track देखेंगे, तो उस मूवी में all the couples are there. So there's a bench. It's on a green screen. Exactly, the green screen is there, and there's a bench.
Like an old
and on the bench, there are different couples, and all the couples are either one is cuddling, one is kissing, one is just holding hands.
It's a slow
So
number.
who are that is एक दूजे के वास्ते, जैसे दिल है धड़कन है.
हाँ.
So जो fascinating part है कि वो सारे couples कौन थे? वो सारे couples उस movie का crew था.
Oh, were they?
Yes.
Oh,
And it ends
nice.
with one more thing, like Yash Johar and Hiru Yash Johar, unki wife, they were also sitting on the same bench.
Oh.
Wow.
They were good friends. And then Yash Chopra and Pamela Chopra on
They
the
were on the bench
and
too?
they were like, cinematographer, you just think about a crew, the couple will be there on the bench.
Oh,
And
wow.
that's so fascinating to watch. You just
Yeah,
watch
we
it.
gotta really
And
rewatch
again-
this movie.
Yeah.
Absolutely, I think you should.
Yeah.
And now I've given you so many reasons to
Yes.
watch, so
Yeah.
many reliving moments. So go and watch this movie. और हमें प्लीज बताइए आपका फेवरेट सॉन्ग और आपका फेवरेट सीन इस मूवी में कौन सा था. प्लीज हमें जरूर लिख के बताइएगा. हमें हमेशा इंतजार रहता है आपके कमेंट्स का. और अगली कौन सी मूवी इस तरह की आप हमसे बात करना चाहेंगे, हमें बताना चाहेंगे कि हम कौन सी मूवी आपके लिए लेके आए, प्लीज जरूर बताइएगा. आशा करते हैं आपको आज का सेगमेंट अच्छा लगा होगा. तो अगली बार के लिए फिर मिलते हैं. आई होप निशा आपको भी आज इतना ही फारा. See, you are so good in the character. I forgot to call you Farah.
No, how sweet.
So it was really nice having you on the show.
Thank you.
I hope you also enjoyed it.
I loved it.
Perfect.
I always
That
love
has
hanging out
been
with you.
And Rahul, you also?
जी हम तो हमेशा एंजॉय करते हैं.
Okay.
यहाँ बीच में बैठ के आपके साथ बात करना, वो भी बॉलीवुड के बारे में, और वो भी my era of the 90s,
That was the best
early
era.
2000s. Yes.
चलिए.
चलिए इसी बात पे अलविदा लेते हैं. We will see you next week in the same segment.
Perfect. अपना ख्याल रखिए. शबा खैर. शुभ रात्रि. Bye bye.